Nobilia is Europe's largest kitchen manufacturer and the market leader in Germany. Over 3,000 kitchens leave the company every day. The secret to Nobilia's success is our three pillars. The first of these is the product and the quality. The second pillar is delivery date reliability. Our score is 99.8%. The third pillar, which is also important for us, is cost leadership. This means that we can offer our high-quality products on the market at relatively low prices. High quality, delivery date reliability, cost leadership. To achieve this, Nobilia counts on reliable and long-standing automation partners. They guarantee maximum system availability. We place very high demands on our machine suppliers. That's because we expect high process reliability from the systems, and we can really only achieve that with preferred partners. Take Hüttenhölscher, for example, which has been supporting us in the area of assembly technology for decades. The most recent example is a system for the fully automatic assembly of drawers. Our system that is being used at Nobilia fully automatically produces drawers in batches of one. Our system consists of two levels. The front panels are machined in the top area, while the drawers are produced in parallel on the lower level. In the final station, the front assembly station, the front panel is placed in front of the drawer. As the quantities involved are large, it goes without saying that Nobilia's requirements are high too, especially when it comes to technical availability, flexibility and performance. Hüttenhölscher counts on reliable, high-quality and innovative automation technology from Festo. IO-Link technology is being used for the first time in the new system. The pneumatic valves are actuated via IO-Link, and it captures the positions of the actuators. Festo was the first to make us aware of this technology, and we've been using it for a number of projects now. IO-Link significantly reduces the workload involved in cabling and commissioning. End users like Nobilia also benefit from IO-Link. The time required for troubleshooting, replacing defective components, and recommissioning is drastically reduced. Machine manufacturers like Hüttenhölscher, as well as end users like Nobilia, are impressed by the automation solutions offered by the experts at Festo. That is why they choose to have a long-standing partnership made in Germany. We have known Festo for a long time now, and it's not for nothing that we also prescribe Festo components to our requirement specifications. Festo has been a partner to us for many years. The quality and innovative strength of Festo enables us to meet our customers' requirements.